What is that
Yeah.
feedback coming through? You guys hear that or no?
I'm talking to the cops.
I was gonna say who's got the fucking wire on him is going bad right now. Run out of
Yeah, no.
battery.
I don't know where that is. That's probably like he's got 8 guys on the show, right?
A couple people look like they dropped out though.
Yeah, but they're still on.
I get feedback from somebody. I don't know who, unless I'm here or
But
something. Now, what happened to Tabita? What happened with that guy?
he flipped.
Already, right? Yeah, that's what. Okay, that's what I thought. Yeah, he went on,
He
right? Or no?
flipped.
Somebody else.
I think he had 5 bodies as well.
Yeah. What is that
Yeah.
feedback coming through? You guys hear that or no?